Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the number fits the table range, a value between 1 and 10. Once done, rewrite numbers in scientific notation if needed so you reference the correct mantissa. Next, identify the first two significant digits and the third digit. Use the mantissa rows for the pair and the column for the third. Make sure to note the decimal exponents separately so you can adjust the final logarithm after looking up the mantissa. Now you use the mantissa table. Find the row matching the first two digits and the column for the third digit to read a 4-decimal mantissa. If the third digit falls between entries, interpolate linearly using the next column. This refines accuracy. Remember why you do this. The mantissa gives the fractional part of log 10, while the characteristic is the integer exponent. Also apply log properties, add for multiplication, subtract for division, multiply for powers, so you combine values correctly. To finish, combine the characteristic, the integer from your scientific notation, with the mantissa you looked up. Add them to get the final base 10 logarithm. Once combined, check significant figures and avoid premature rounding so you preserve accuracy until the end. If your result seems off, re-examine the normalization step and ensure you use the correct rows and interpolation. Misplacing the decimal or reading the wrong column is the most common error, so correct that first and recalc.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.